The White Cat and the Monk. I, monk and scholar, share my room with my white cat, Pangur. By candlelight late into the night, we work, each at a special trade. For more than anything, I enjoy the peaceful pursuit of knowledge. I treasure the wealth to be found in my books. Pangur has his own pursuit, his game of chase and catch. The silent hunter, he sits and stares at the wall. He studies the hole that leads to a mouse's home. My own eyes, older and less bright than his, study my manuscript, hunting for meaning. Each page is a challenge. Pangur does not disturb me at my work, and I do not disturb him at his. We are each content with all we need to entertain us. Ours is a happy tale. When a mouse appears, Pangur shares it with his needle claws. He feels joy at catching his prey. I feel joy as I find at last the answer to my puzzle. In our tiny home, Pangur finds his mouse. And I find light in the darkness. The end.